Welcome to Nom Nom to Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy vegan sandwiches. Our first sandwich is a BLT. You're going to need vegan mayo, lettuce, tomato, vegan bacon or tempeh, and a vegan bread of your choice. I'm using this delicious gluten-free vegan bread. So I'm heating up the bacon on both sides in a nonstick skillet. And now I'm slicing up tomato and lettuce. Toast your bread. I overcooked it a little, but it's fine. And I'm adding mayo on each side. If you don't want the extra fat, then you don't have to put mayo on it, but it tastes better on it. And there you have it, a vegan BLT. Our next sandwich is a tofu egg scramble sandwich with caramelized onions. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to a pan, and I'm going to let our onions cook just until they're translucent. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. And now I'm crumbling a half block of tofu into the pan. I'm adding some black pepper, garlic powder, black salt, and turmeric. The black salt is going to give it the eggy flavor. And you just let it cook until it's warm. I'm adding ketchup to both sides of the bread. And now I'm assembling the sandwich. Next is a chickpea salad sandwich. All you need is 1 can of drain and rinse chickpeas. You can mash it with a potato masher like I'm doing, or put it in a food processor. I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, celery seed, and dill weed. Now I'm slicing up 2 kosher dill pickles. I'm going to dice it up and add it to the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Now you can add whatever vegetables you like. I'm just adding lettuce, but it will go really good with tomato and onions. And there you have it, a vegan tuna salad. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.